Okay, everyone. Today we're going to go ahead and work on some practice videos to help you out with our type 2 binary and polyatomic nomenclature. It's practice number 1, and we're going to do problem number 1. So let's go ahead and look at this one right here, problem number 1. The first thing we have to do is determine whether or not it's binary or polyatomic. Well, it ends in I, that's going to be oxide, so that means that it is going to be a binary. So we're just going to go ahead and put our charges in here. And what I'm going to do is just pop this over here, take this out. And we know that the charge for copper is whatever the Roman numeral number is. So that's going to be a 1. And we know that that's going to be a plus 1. And we go to oxygen. Oxygen or oxide is going to be a negative 2. So I'm going to put in a negative 2, but I will show you why it's a negative 2. Well, if I go to this right here, and this is on page 12 of your packet, oxygen is right here. It's a negative 2. Everyone in this column is a negative 2 as long as it's above the staircase. Okay, so let's go back to this. So that's a negative 2. That means that my charges have to equal each other out. And so what are we going to do? They don't cancel each other out, so we're going to crisscross. So I'm going to put a 2 right here, and we're going to put a 1 right there. And so when I go in here, I'm going to put the symbol for copper and then a subscript of 2. So the copper is Cu. So if I go to our copper is right there. It is Cu. So let's go back to that. So we have Cu, and then I have to put a subscript of 2. And then we're going to put our oxygen, and we only need 1 oxygen. So this would be copper 1 oxide. Hey, that's how we do it. It's pretty simple. You should be able to go through the rest of them and figure all those ones out. If they're polyatomic, we'll get to those when we get to those. Hey, as always, go Mohawks. Nelson out.